Video, I'm going to teach you how to import and categorize bank transactions in QuickBooks. First, sign into your QuickBooks account and head to the top menu. Open the Accounting section. This is where your company's chart of accounts and transaction tools live, and it's the home base for getting your bank data into the system. Next, go to the Transactions or Expenses area, depending on what your version calls it. You're looking for an option labeled Upload Transactions or Import. This is the doorway for bringing in activity from your bank or payment provider. If you don't see it right away, check for a small link or button near the top right of the Transactions page. Before you upload, make sure you have your bank data exported. From your bank or provider, such as Wise, HSBC, or PayPal, export your transactions as a CSV, QBO, or OFX file. QBO and OFX are often the cleanest for QuickBooks, but a well-formatted CSV works too. Choose a date range that avoids duplicates you might have already imported. If your bank gives you options for columns, include date, amount, and description. Save the file somewhere easy to find. Back in QuickBooks, click Browse or choose File. Select the file you exported, and then click Upload. QuickBooks will read the file and prepare it for import. If your file has multiple accounts or currencies, double-check that you're importing into the correct QuickBooks bank or credit card register. If you're prompted to map columns, align each field correctly. Map the date column to date, the amount column to amount, and the description column to description. If your file splits amounts into separate debit and credit columns, pick the correct one, or follow the on-screen guidance to combine them. Make sure the date format matches what QuickBooks expects, and preview a few rows to confirm everything looks right. When you're satisfied, click Finish or Import. QuickBooks will bring the transactions into the register. This might take a moment for larger files. Once complete, you'll see the new transactions listed and ready for review. Finally, categorize each transaction to the appropriate expense or income account. Choose categories that reflect what the money was for example, office supplies, software, travel, or sales income. Use vendor names and descriptions to help you decide, and keep your categories consistent so your reports stay accurate. If something looks off, open the transaction to review details before you approve it. And that's it. You've successfully imported and categorized your bank transactions in QuickBooks.